Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Iding buon pak cakasnya mah. Atrai di pentip naik Gibril Syasar. Gibril le mentah ki thiet tamen yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
तेरी औकात नहीं है वो जहाँ से आया है पता तेरे को तुम्हें मेरी कस्टम ऑफिसर का बेटा है वो पॉलिटिशियन है उसका बाप तू क्या
Minti yang bakal jelau Conrad Sangma haka atpulai dari urempang arja penriu ulami syekmat ban penrem juri ya ka Jingibeiñ jaj penriu ka balaja dangshan Pyrshah iginong snong joka than chatai lamingi kibasa haka dong ba Delhi dak boong baka jingsha pe iben jong Gibril jong ka than chatai lamingi dei ban pen Sangeh no Shisyndon haka ji kran migilap thai ko bor Conrad Sangma ure thu bahaka arpo tarik urempang arja penriu ka lami ka jinga ka ja Hamalvia Nagar hapdeng langut ki kintai na kajela Arunachal Pradesh ketup ekawe kesamla badang yakunnya ke UPSC bat ki para marjan ya ki belatip kerteng kum ka Harsh Singh bat ka Ruby Jane tang na iwe jingja ibaret.
No, the recent incident that took place in Malvinagar against our northeast citizens from Arunachal Pradesh is truly unfortunate. And it is something that is, I should say, unacceptable in today's world. And the kind of the language that was used, the kind of words that were used, and the body language is something that is really, as I said, was very sad, and I must say, very unacceptable. How it was, how the way it was put, and the way the language was used, the way the words were used, is completely unacceptable. And in this point, as a state, as a region, as a country, as we are working towards moving forward together, these kind of statements and this kind of behavior only puts us back, 2 steps. We realize that in a diverse nation like India, we need to respect each other, and so therefore there is no excuse for that. And that happens, and that is something for us also to understand, that within our society also we need to practice the same thing, and as I say, we have to practice what we preach. So therefore we all have to do it. This has to be a universal thing, where people and citizens, whether it's from the rest of the country or from the northeast region or from wherever it is, without showing respect and without giving dignity to others, there is no way that we'll be able to see our country progressing in the way that we all would like to see. So therefore, I appeal to everyone, that this is not something that we should encourage. In fact, people should speak out. I hope that the local leaders there in Delhi, as well as the different leaders in terms of the community leaders also, will take serious steps to ensure that this does not happen. And I do encourage that we should have more and more awareness programs in these kind of ways. And especially for the people of Northeast, we need to also speak out about this to support each other. By speaking out, I don't mean you to say bad things about others. Please, that's not what I'm saying. Speaking out only means that you support one another. Speaking out means is that you appeal to others not to do this. Speaking out means you create the awareness to people who may not understand these kind of things that should not happen, because some people really don't understand it, and we've seen this, what happened in Malvinagar. So therefore, this is very unacceptable, and I hope that necessary steps and action will be taken. And from our side, whatever we can do to support our sisters from Arunachal Pradesh who face this, we are always there. I'm always there. And as I said, from my side, wherever necessary, we'll take up the matter even at the highest.
एक भी चीज मिला ना, उसके बाद देखेंगे।
पीछे करके बात कर, उंगली पीछे करके बात कर। मैं चुपचाप खड़ी हूँ।
चल 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 चेक कीजिए
चुपचाप खड़ी हूँ मैं।
तू चल मसाज पार्लर तू यहाँ में मसाज लेने वाली तरची बुढ़ा
आजमा ले जा।
तू मेरे से जमा लेगा।
मेरा बेडरूम खाली जा, आजमा ले कितना बुढ़ा है पता चलेगा तेरे को। जा जाना 35 साल का लड़का तेरे यहाँ बुढ़ा होता होगा क्योंकि ड्रग्स इतने करते हो तुम लोग। हमारे यहाँ 35 साल में एक्चुअल जवान होते हैं। चलाती हूँ तेरे को कराना है। नौकरी चाहिए। तेरी औकात नहीं है वो जहाँ से आया है पता तेरे को।
तुम्हें मेरी
कस्टम ऑफिसर का बेटा है वो, पॉलिटिशियन है उसका बाप। तू क्या औकात है तेरी आने की वहाँ पे? मेरे को वो मसाज पार्लर से मिला है।
करके पॉलिटिशियन
मेरे
बनाते
को वो
हैं।
मसाज
हम
पार्लर
इलेक्ट
से मिला है।
करते
तू
हैं। हम
मसाज
इलेक्शन
पार्लर में
करते हैं।
धंधा करने बैठी थी क्या जो तूने देखा? जबान में काबू रख अपनी।
आप इन्हें अंदर कर दो। एक जो समझदार वो रुक जाओ बाहर।
तेरे यहाँ पे आदमी मसाज पार्लरों में काम करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ नहीं। पढ़े लिखे हैं वो।
कहाँ के
वो मेरे को बोल रही है तेरा आदमी मसाज पार्लर में मिला होगा।
चलना है इधर। आप भी सुनिए आगे। चलना पड़ता हमें पता।
आ जाओ ना
यही करेगी ना।
अपने इस रूम में जाओ। जो समझदार हो रुक जाओ।
मसाज पार्लर के नाम से।
हेलो अरे
ऐसा ढंग से मिलता नहीं।
अच्छा
चलिए
तू मसाज पार्लर चलाती है। हाँ वो वेरी गुड। हम नहीं करते ना इसलिए हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते।
2 नंबर का काम है। What is this shouting? 2 नंबर
अंकल करना पड़ेगा। अरे हमको क्या क्या बोल रहे हो?
आगे धक्का दे रही है क्या? गटर छाप लड़कियां हो तुम? एंड हुए उन लोगों पे जो तुमको सपोर्ट करते हैं। You people are shit. We will keep silent when you do racism. No, these people are shit. Thank you. Now go.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake.
definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.